Yes, Natasha.
Mr. Verdi, the internship candidates are here.
Wonderful. Send in the first candidate, please.
Hello.
Welcome. You must be Susan Ahn.
Yes.
I'm Mario Verdi, account
Nice
director.
to meet you, Mr. Verdi.
Hi, and I'm Danielle Derby, Design Director.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, thank you.
You have a very impressive resume, Susan. Tell us about yourself.
Well, Mr. Verdi, I'm creative, and I think that my artistic style will fit in well here.
I see you're quite skilled with computers.
Yes, I know all the main design programs, and I'm actually designing a website for my father's business, and I'm taking a 3D software course this summer.
Excellent. But won't you be too busy for an internship?
Oh, no. I love being busy.
Great.
Do you have any sales experience?
I worked at a retail store last summer.
Do you like sports?
Sports. Oh, well, not really. I'm not very good at them.
Neither am I.
Yeah. Susan, we do a lot of advertising for sporting goods. Would you be interested in working on those accounts?
Of course, Mr. Verdi. I would love working on any account. I just want to learn all about the business.
And in 3 words, how would you describe yourself?
Creative, organized, and professional.
Well, okay, good. I think we have enough to go on for now. We'll let you know either way.
Okay.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Natasha, send in the next candidate, please. Come in.
Hi. I'm Scott Robbins.
Hi. Mario Verdi, account director.
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Danielle Derby, Design Director.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow, look at this. I love this company's work. It's very cool stuff. It's the
Great.
best, really.
Oh, hey, thanks, Scott. Sit down.
Sure.
So, what do you see yourself doing here?
Well, I love sports, and I love marketing, and I can sell anything.
How are you with numbers?
Well, I enjoy working with numbers, Mario.
So, you think you'd make a good salesman?
I do.
Why?
Well, I'd make a good salesman because I can quickly calculate percentages and then convince people why they should hire us.
Good, good. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Danielle?
Tell me about your computer skills, Scott.
Danielle, I enjoy working with computers. I wouldn't want to be in front of one all day, but I don't mind using them.
Well, what design software programs do you know? Would you be able to create a banner ad for a web page?
I could try. I don't mind trying new things because I'm a very fast learner.
And in 3 words, how would you describe yourself?
Simply the best.
Great, thanks for coming in. We'll let you know either way.
Great.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
I like that kid.
I thought he was too much. I can't stand that salesman personality thing.
I think our sports clients would like someone with that kind of confidence.
Maybe, but not all our accounts are sports accounts.
So you prefer Susan?
Yes. She's creative, level-headed, and seems hardworking and reliable.
Yeah, but she's not interested in sales.
No, I guess not, but I don't think Scott knows anything about design.
What do we do?
I have an idea.
Very good. Yeah. All right, you're like a kung fu master, okay? You are a kung fu master. Bring it up. You are like a 10th degree black belt. Nobody can touch you. Bruce Lee has nothing on you, okay? All right? All right?
Who is Jay?
All right.
Come on.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's bring it down. Now let's, okay, you're a bush, okay? You're serene.